Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Should I accept the insurance company's settlement offer? After an accident, you may receive a settlement offer from the insurance company, sometimes surprisingly fast. While it may be tempting to accept a quick payout, especially if you're dealing with medical bills and lost income, accepting too soon can cost you far more in the long run. So how do you know if the offer is fair? And should you accept it without legal advice? Let's break it down. Why insurance companies offer quick settlements. Insurance companies are businesses, and their goal is to minimize payouts. Early offers are often made before the full extent of your injuries is known, before you've hired a lawyer, hoping you'll settle cheap, fast, and without negotiation. These offers may not include compensation for long-term effects, pain and suffering, or future lost wages. What a fair settlement should include. A truly fair settlement should account for all current and future medical expenses, lost wages and future earning capacity, pain and suffering, emotional trauma or reduced quality of life, property damage or out-of-pocket costs. If any of these are missing or underestimated, you could be settling for far less than your case is worth. Red flags that an offer is too low. It comes immediately after the accident. It's labeled as final or non-negotiable. It doesn't factor in ongoing or future medical care. It doesn't include non-economic damages like pain and suffering. You're pressured to sign quickly or without consulting an attorney. Once you accept, there's no going back. One of the biggest risks of accepting a settlement is that it's final. Once you sign a release, you waive your right to sue, even if new injuries or complications arise. You cannot request more money later, even for future surgeries or lost work. That's why it's essential to understand the full scope of your damages before agreeing to any settlement. The role of an attorney in evaluating settlement offers. An experienced New York personal injury lawyer can review the offer and assess whether it's fair, calculate the true value of your claim, negotiate for a better settlement, or take the case to court if necessary. Ensure your rights and future needs are protected. Most attorneys offer free consultations and work on a contingency fee, meaning you pay nothing unless you win. Don't settle for less than you deserve. A fast offer may seem like relief, but it could leave you struggling later. Protect yourself by having a professional review your settlement offer before you sign anything. Contact the personal injury law firm of Figeroux and Associates. Schedule a free consultation today. Call 855-768-8845 or visit askthelawyer.us.
Every day, thousands of people in New York State are injured in accidents. Many of them in automobile, bicycle, motorcycle, bus, cab, train, or pedestrian accidents. Most of them occur when drivers are texting while driving. Figeroux and Associates can help you perfectly to get all your medical expenses reimbursed. In addition, we can advise you and take your case when you have experienced a dog bite, medical malpractice, slip and falls on the streets or in any public or private establishment in the state of New York. You can get your life back to the way it was. Call now, 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Or visit us at 311personalinjury.com. Again, 311personalinjury.com. Get the right legal team that understands you in this hard situation.